Look what we have here. We have some animals and some sea animals inside our wagon. Let's learn sizes with our animal and sea animals. Let's put our animals in order smallest to biggest. We have our animals and sea animals in order, smallest to biggest. Let's start from the smallest. Smallest, big, bigger, biggest. We have our smallest animal. This is a turtle, a green turtle. Our green turtle loves to walk in the grass. Nemo. Nemo is a clownfish. Nemo wants to swim in water. Let's put Nemo, our clownfish, in some water. Next we have our red lobster. Our red lobster wants to swim in the water too. Let's go ahead and put our red lobster in the water. We have a hippo. This is our hippo. He's the biggest in size. Our hippo wants to eat some grass. Look at our animals. They're having fun in the water. They're playing in the water sprinklers. Okay, let's go ahead and put our hippo in the water. This is so much fun. Alright, let's go ahead and get our red lobster in the water. Let's get our clownfish in the water. Let's get our green turtle. Oh, we're all having fun. Look at our animals swimming. We have our lobster having fun in the water. Our lobster's having fun in the water. Our hippo too. And we have Nemo, our clownfish. Bye-bye for now.